74th Independence Day. Can you imagine? We are celebrating 74th Independence Day. It is nothing short of miracle. Friends, when India was formed as a union with so many princely states, with so many languages, with so many cultures, with so many diversities, some detractors thought that India would disintegrate in 15 years. And some even said that India cannot even manufacture a pin, but we are sending rockets to the Mars right now. Friends, what I want to say is it's a great experiment, and this experiment can be replicated in the world as well. Why can't the world exist with so much of diversity peacefully? If you look at the Europe, small countries are getting disintegrated. Yugoslavia, Serbia, they got disintegrated with little diversities in them. But imagine India, my dear friends, so much of diversity. You can find a diverse set of customs, diverse set of cultures for each and every district of India. Such is the diversity, and we are existing still now. It's a great miracle, and we need to celebrate. It's nothing short of a great miracle that we achieve. However, we do have set of our enemies right now. The enemy of malnutrition, the enemy of unemployment, the enemy of substandard education, and right now there are certain other enemies like China and Nepal. So Nepal is acting in behest of China at this point of time. So we need to attack these enemies. We need to be heroes in our life. A hero is someone, we feel really happy when we watch movie, hero attacking enemies, hero taking revenge. So we need to attack these enemies like poverty, these enemies like unemployment, these enemies like substandard education. It is high time. So how we can attack? So we have to choose an enemy. So let me give you an example. So I took an enemy of poor education. So that is the reason I went to school. I gave them certain leadership trainings known as I Am Hero. And I made so many leaders within the school students, and school students again in turn, they went to their villages, they went to their families, in their school itself, they started imbibing those skills to other people, so they became heroes in their own sense. So in that way, we need to become heroes in our own sense. What is the enemy that you are tackling? What is the enemy that you want to take on? And finally, my dear friends, I want to announce something. So I am coming up with a book named The Hero Will Rise, and that book will be available after October 15th. October 15th is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir's birthday. So on that day, I'll be launching my second book, The Hero Will Rise. And hero, if he or she has to rise, then you have to rise. Are you ready to rise? More party. Cheers.